Ever get into your car and just, that stale, musty smell hits you? I used to dread those moments. Sprays, gels, hanging trees, none lasted long. Plus all those harsh chemicals. Not great for me, my pets, or the planet. I wanted something fresh and safe. That's when I found Drift's Wood Air Freshener. Meet the Drift Car Air Freshener. It's not your average car scent. Handcrafted in the USA from real wood. Sustainably sourced, so you can feel good. It's magnetized to fit perfectly on your visor. No dangling distractions, just sleek design. Designer-grade scents, not artificial perfumes. My favorite, amber. Like fresh rain. Notes of lavender, amber, and sage. Smells like a luxury spa in my car. And it's totally chemical-free. No harsh additives, just essential oils. Vegan, cruelty-free, and pet-friendly. Even my dog approves. Here's how easy it is to use. Take the metal clip attached to your visor. Open one side of the scent bag. Wait until the oil is absorbed. Snap the wood block onto the clip. It magnetically clicks in, so satisfying. No overhang, no mess, just clean lines. Instantly, my car smells amazing. No overwhelming perfume, just subtle freshness. Friends always ask what scent I'm using. The best part? It's refillable. Swap out the scent block every 30 days. Keep extras sealed and out of the sun. Easy to maintain, always fresh. No more tossing plastic air fresheners. No more worrying about chemicals. Just pure, natural fragrance. The wood design looks so chic. Blends right in with my car's interior. Eco-conscious and stylish. Win-win. If you care about your car's air quality, or want a touch of luxury while driving, or have pets riding along, this is perfect. It's a game changer for daily drives. No more masking odors, just eliminating them. I genuinely look forward to getting in my car. It's like a breath of fresh air every time. So, ready to upgrade your car's vibe? Try Drift's Wood Air Freshener Starter Kit. Designer scents, natural ingredients, refillable. Order yours today and experience the difference. Your car and your nose will thank you. Drift. Looks good. Smells good. All good. Hit the link and get started now.